Morning guys, I'm gonna run it to diagnostic mode to retrieve the error code first. Okay, 1 2 3 1 2, and then move make sure the LED is on the second LED on your right side. It says cycle complete. Okay, and press the start. And then turn the knob, and then one click, it's gonna show you the error code. So the combination is sensing was the first LED light blink and cycle complete. So look on your tech sheet, the F8 so means sensing and was. Just look for the shaded one. Imagine that's the LED. So the LED blinking F8, so sensing in was, that's the F8, that's your fault. And then the error code is 1, means a cycle complete or done. So yeah, simple like that. So let's say sensing F8 and was, imagine that's the shaded one, that's the blinking LED F8. And then the error on the right side is done, only the one is blinking. So combinations of F8E1. Okay, so just like that, and then make sure you double check. And so what we're gonna do is we have to confirm it, if it's really the water or sometimes the pressure hose sensor, we don't know. So the most important is to confirm it. Okay, so F8E1, and then turn the knob, one click again, and there's no error code anymore. Usually there's a first and second error code, but this one is only one error code, so it's gonna be more easy. So we focus on the long fill or no fill. So F8E1. Okay, we have to reset. Press the button for a long time. Press it without taking out your finger. It's gonna reset and stop. Okay, and then turn the knob, we reset, and then click the knob, 1 2 3 1 2, same thing. And then make sure turn the knob into final spin, and then cycle complete. That's the manual mode. Press the start. Okay, and then turn the knob again, one click. The second LED is the cold water. So to confirm if the water is strong, that one is a red flag, brother. It's so slow. It's now at least 20 psi. You know the normal pressure, but this one is just like dripping. So it's gonna take a while to fill up the water. If it doesn't reach the right level, it's gonna shut off or drain the water. Okay, so we confirm. We have to clear we have to check the strainer, the box. Let's see. Holy cow, it's full of calcium water. So once in a while you have to clean this one. If you know it's like it's your water so slow, you have to clear this one, because it's gonna take a while. Instead of 45 minutes to finish the whole cycle load, it's gonna take a long time, because the faster the water, the faster you can finish the whole cycle. So make sure you have to clean this one or spray, and then we're set. Thank you for watching.